Women vendors of Khairamban markets take out public alert rally against any threat to territorial integrity of Manipur. Additional CRPF personnel deployed in strategic location in Imphal city ahead of Indo-Naga final solutions. Segmai MLA H. Dingo appeals to people not to panic over the outcome of Indo-Naga peace talks, says government is on alert. And Health Minister L. Jayantakumar says government is all prepped up to revive library movement in the state. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. Women vendors of the three Khairamban markets took out a public alert rally today towards the Chief Minister's bungalow against any threat to territorial integrity of Manipur, with the possible culmination of Indo-Naga peace talks by October 31st. Traffic movement was affected near the overbridge in Khairamban market due to the stir. Imphal West police team, including women police, halted the protesters near the Congress Bhavan, ensuing intense confrontation between them. The police finally managed to drive the women protesters back to the market and permitted only few protesters to submit a memorandum to Governor Dr. Najma Abdullah. A woman protester warns that women vendors of Khairamban markets are all set to launch a third Nupilal movement if the territorial integrity of the state is ever harmed by the final agreement of Indo-Naga peace talks.
Overpowered Manipur apun gi saktum kaluk phurup manba adugumba autonomy na singba pina bai wakhalama laktaragadi Manipur miam puna mona amukta hawdaba yo amuta thokdaba thawdaba puna bak torkani amse government of India da warning tawjari
Manipur se mache tanaba kari umma torkpa taragadi akoi ahum suba nupi langi damakta akoi thorang tawduna lerabani Khairamban bazar gi ima iben puna maksina
government now na masidi akoi na mamang da haije ni miyang ya pam khangna thabak tawbi haije ni miyang ya pam khangna thabak tawdaba mikupta government se dum loimba government su leibagi mathok ta de government su leiro oiba matam du dadi aduna government su miyang ya pam tawrok tak di miyang ya pam thabak tawbiu haidana parja miyam se mabu yadana thagalini miyang ya pam khangna thabak tawrok tak di ma masana adum resign tawjaba tabani miyang.
Members of Oripok Yambem Lekai Maira Paibi Loop also carried out protest demonstration against threats to the integrity of Manipur by the final agreement of Indo-Naga framework. Taking part in the protest meet stage at Oripok Yambem Lekai today, President of Oripok Yambem Lekai Maira Paibi Loop, Yambem Momon, urged the Indian government and NACN-IM not to disintegrate the state. She warned of an intense uprising far worse than the June 18 incident if Manipur is ever disintegrated. Various placards were displayed in the protest meet.
Ainayadaba Loop Amaga India Gomenga Manipur gilam khai sokna wari yaurakpa sida ekhoi praja ama oina ekhoi yaning de Manipur gi lamba set am ta su phakna puba yaroi moina moigi maram da leijau moi apamba tawjau aduga Manipur da di ekhoi yeselekan.
Additional Central Reserve Police Force have been deployed at strategic locations of Imphal city to avoid any untoward incident in the wake of possible culmination of the Indo-Naga peace talks by October 31st. According to Impact News sources, additional CRPF forces over and above Manipur Police and Manipur Rifles are on strict vigil at Kashampat Junction, Manipur State Assembly, in front of Chief Minister's bungalow and Raj Bhavan, in various parts of Chingmerong, Kangla Gate and other areas of the city. A reliable source also said that around 300 NSC and IM cadres have fled their Hebron camp in civil clothes. Sources also said that they have entered Manipur border last night and might try to move towards China via More. It further said that the cadres might be carrying their armaments in vehicles. Meanwhile, security has tightened in the state, especially at Bongyang, Kudengthabi and Zero Line areas. Ahead of the possible conclusion of Indo-Naga peace talks by October 31st, Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren held a confidential meeting with Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla today. Details of the meeting between the two leaders held from noon till 1 p.m. are strictly kept confidential. But it is assumed that the meeting might have discussed about precautionary measures to be taken up in the state in the wake of today's meeting held between Nagaland Governor cum interlocutor of Indo-Naga peace talks R.N. Ravi and General Secretary of NSC and IM Twingaling Muiva. Segmai MLA cum chairman of Manipur Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Board H. Dingo has assured to safeguard the integrity of Manipur. Speaking at the 5th Foundation Day observance of Building Construction Workers Welfare Union at Kongampat Kunau Community Hall today, MLA Dingo assured that MLAs and ministers of the state are on high alert about the impending threat by the possible conclusion of Indo-Naga peace talks. He appeals to the people to trust the state leaders. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Dingo claimed that laborers are now provided with regular benefits under Manipur Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Board since his chairmanship. MLA Dingo and Potsangbam Zilla Parishad member L. Bobby also led people in planting various tree saplings, and meritorious children of the workers were felicitated on the occasion.
Haibani territorial integrity si kahinda haibani koi Manipur prajana pamase masi makti kairo hedna ai thamjaninge hadi hojik oriba situation R.N. Ravi ga ani NSNIM gi muiwaga hoi wari sanariba situation sida adi leiba issue singse tamna sum NSNIM gi keno sing ase sum asa sing sum kaithar pase adu karigumba hoigi naha moina as a Manipur gi MLA moina karigumba masina hoigi Manipur gi integrity kaira ba Manipur da solak taragadi ai masigi chapchabi gi thengnanaba ai gi site gi ai angamba level ai hona jage hai.
Northeast India Development Party NIDP has demanded Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren not to let the conclusion of Indo-Naga peace talks ever disintegrate the state. Speaking to media at the party office in Tera Bazar, Imphal West today, NIDP President Dr. N.G. Bijoy said that the party welcomes the conclusion of the long-pending peace talks. However, conclusion should not be brought without consulting the people of Manipur. He assured that NIDP stands with the people of Manipur. Taking part in the press meet, party Vice President R.K. Anand asserted that conclusion of the peace talks must not affect the administrative integrity of the state. He maintained that it is high time for the state government to take a public stance about the issue.
Solution asi porangna ba hona bada wakhai nadringe da mamang da stakeholder ekoi si Manipur si major stakeholder amani haidana consider to bibani adu stakeholder sing si tanaram dana wakhai nabadi yaroi Manipur gi praja singi apam base NIDP gi su apam bani matam punamakta NIDP na Manipur gi praja singa loina duna chatkani
NSNIM ga government of India ga wari sanama matam da hujik se ekoi Manipur soka da waragade hoi su one of the party when include to NIDP maiki this we demand to the Manipuri people should be included as a see can the party mo must include to ne must so filter natragadi anything to but the law and impose of targadi madu the tholaka se loin mo Manipur mian ngasi warung non labor labor khui can we demand habitai hujiki khui labor mayam sing se Manipur mian pa me wakhol si atam sang hingjausan no khui jati mo ina hingjar ko Manipuri sing se masi kai khumno ut pipe se India gi ahan priority hai matau oe masi bang de khui no demand.
All Manipur Women's Voluntary Association also opposed to the possible threats by the conclusion of Indo-Naga peace talks. Speaking on the sidelines of the association's 38th Foundation Day celebration at GM Hall today, President of the association Y. Kunjarani said that the association welcomes the finalization of Indo-Naga peace talks. However, the final agreement of the peace talks should not harm the territorial integrity of the state in any manner. She warned that the association, along with the people of the state, will stir against any threat to Manipur by the agreement. Kunjarani further condemned the Indian government for playing divide and rule policy among communities residing in the state and urged the people to unitedly stand against it.
Iram tamse seisida koi punna nuksi chanana laiminasi Indiana thaiba divide and rule policy se akoi masi munna khangminara kanda akoi masi akoi punna hingminaragadi akoi punna nusinaragadi punna thengnaminaragadi akoi gi pandam khudikmak phangani lakadoriba framework agreement sigi matang seja akoi karigumba hoi NSN ayanga India government ga yasanaba porakpa haibase akhoi su yamna pami tabudabu adugi yasanabada iramda mase Manipur se kanglei pa se sokpa taragadi akhoi amoba ama hoina akhoi su angamba thodang logjaduna Manipur miyang ga loinana thengnabam topa India government gi mathakta thengnagani haba.
Manipur Kabui Union in a press release have extended full support to all the initiatives of Kokomi to protect Manipur. Vice President of Kundrakpam Kendra Development Committee M. Sarat has demanded the BJP leaders to give a written assurance to protect the integrity of Manipur. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, M. Sarat asserted that it would be unwise to rely on the state chief minister, BJP state and central leaders to safeguard the integrity of the state. He assured that Kundrakpam Kendra Development Committee will stand firm in protecting the state's integrity.
Akoina Kundrakpam Kendra Labor Kendra Development Committee akoi prajaji akoi naharon khudimong akoina khanjagadori base akoi lepsagadori pirepse Manipur oiba masak nariba organization mayamna punjaliba Kokomi ni lawgudoriba thaudang singado aduda akoi su achauba thaudang yagani loinana makoina toruba thabak thorum khudimokta akoi su saru yagani akoi Kundrakpam Kendra laiba Kundrakpam Kendra Development Committee ki members singna akoi support tawgani.
Health Minister L. Jayantakumar has stressed the need to revive the library movement in the state. He said that the government is all prepped up to revive library movement in the state. He was speaking at the inaugural of District Library None, constructed under the funding of Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Foundation at Longmai Part 2 today. Speaking further, Minister Jayantakumar stated that efforts are on to open district libraries in the newly created districts of the state. He also urged the people not to ignore public properties, including libraries.
Library policy habidumukti hojumukti laitri aduna tabada mandamai changa like pananaba hadana haibagi matu wakhalon to ki makadadi mayamda leire digloina akoina book grant piri aduna matu book grant sing je mowong dana chief librarian matu ki khotang da akoina matam matungina tharei makhal ki club sing habitai lanai sangsan sing tharpo leirega su matu akoina entertain to sarkar ki makada leiba department sing je amaga coordinate to hum thoi amasung to su tori aduna matu club hena chaw building leiba amasung matu de hena leiba film je de hena facilities laina to ki Jagedi youth affairs and sports haibamlei sports toktoga youth affairs na haibe si makha sirida madugi achogum bakli internet habba de amato haibek mayam amsulai.
Department of Textile, Commerce and Industries organized Manitech Cycle Rally in relation to Manipur International Expo today. Commerce and Industries Minister Thongam Biswajit flagged off the rally from City Convention Center at Haptakang Jibung. The 48-kilometer cycle rally passing through Langthabal, Yangthang, Sangjingbam, Waheng Kuman, Nambol, Maibam Lokpaching, Oinam, Konthaujam concluded at Manipur Trade and Expo Center in Lamboy, Khongnangkhong. Speaking on the sidelines, Commerce and Textiles Director K. Lamli Kamei stated that the rally aims to promote the use and production of native products. Many professional cyclists of the state and women folks took part in the event.
Dongan ma khungangda koi pisal sa toriba ko chahai thabak toriba mayam si da pauchen ama sachaba amadi hiramdam ge puthok asi mayam si marang kaina puthoga hiramdam ge puthok asi ekoi mayam na punna sina si haibagi pauchen ama khak bipum khudim de pijabani puthokpa yauraga sinaba yaurakanda ani makse koi ge thong manana chanai de makta koi na ngasi gi manite secretary de si masi gi hapta kangjai bungi state convention chida hodok charaga Masigi sina koi khungangda haidarakanda Yangthang degi Romejrao degi Pukram bam Khasanjem bam Waheng Kuman amadi adegi Isok amuk lalakanda Naurem Oinam mana phawrokanda mayam sib lakpakanda koina hapta kangjai bung chidigi hauraga tamoi khunangkhonda aroiba pung ani da koi punna muk thuminarakanda koi gi losinbagi mayam do paujen pb program sing asi sumaina torga samjin jagani.
Tailoring, embroidery and fly shuttle looms were distributed to 90 trainees who completed 6-month vocational training under Manipur State Women's Development Corporation Limited in Imphal today. Speaking at a distribution event held at Nainashang Community Hall in Sagolbantera, Lokrakpam Lekai, Chairman of Manipur Handloom and Handicraft Development Corporation Limited S. Rajan encouraged people to use native products to stop being over-dependent on outsiders. He opined that Manipur will progress only when it becomes self-sustainable. Certificates were also distributed to the trainees at the event.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯦꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯎ ꯂꯤꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯐꯨꯔꯤꯠ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯂꯤꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯐꯨꯔꯤꯠ ꯁꯜꯋꯥꯔ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯦꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯜ-ꯏꯆꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯜ-ꯏꯆꯦꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯁꯥꯖꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯍꯦꯟꯂꯨꯝꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯄꯩꯁꯥꯗꯨ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯜ-ꯏꯆꯦꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯐꯤ ꯁꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯨꯃꯟꯗꯨ ꯈꯪꯍꯧꯔꯅꯤ ꯃꯦꯅꯤꯇꯦꯛꯁꯀꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯆꯍꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯣꯏ ꯈꯣꯡꯅꯥꯡꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯍꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤ 1,190ꯗ ꯀꯣꯜ ꯐꯤꯁꯥ ꯀꯣꯜ ꯄꯤꯈꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯁꯨ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯃꯁꯥꯅ ꯐꯤ ꯁꯥꯖꯒꯗꯧꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯪꯒꯠꯂꯒ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯅꯕꯦꯝꯕꯔꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯗ ꯍꯧꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯦꯅꯤꯇꯦꯛꯁꯀꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯜ-ꯏꯆꯦꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯣꯟꯖꯦꯟꯒꯅꯤ.
Manipur Handlooms and Handicrafts Development Corporation Limited kicked off 6-day Handloom and Handicrafts Expo 2019 in view of the upcoming Ningol Chakoba Festival at Wall United Youth Club in Wangkai Angom Lekai today. Altogether, 40 stalls are opened in the expo. Speaking on the sidelines, Joint Director of Handloom and Textiles Government of Manipur, cum General Manager of Manipur Handloom and Handicrafts Corporation Limited, Ilangbom Jitan, said that the expo aims to promote various handloom and handicraft products of the state.
Ministry of Textile ki makara leba Development Commissioner for Handloom amadi Development Commissioner for Handicraft anigi sendang su yauna amadi Manipur Handloom Handicraft Development Corporation ki sendang masagi oiba own source yauna pangtok pa adung makal ki mela amani mela pangtok pa habasi Manipur Handloom Handicraft Development Corporation ki masi corporation ki damuktari masi tawdaba yadaba maramdi pisalon sa toriba amadi ko cha heba hebit toriba khudimukse makhogi oiba market place mai khoina thina bhona bani adu natana aikoina market ki lamda su aikoi thabak tawi adu thabak mayam si market ki
Member of United Women Rights Defender Aribam Thoibi has urged the state government to provide Manipur State Transport bus services in various routes of the state from 4 a.m. till 6 p.m. from October 28 till 31st. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Thoibi asserted that women folk of the state face transportation issues due to non-availability of passenger vehicles during Ningol Chakoba every year. She urged the public to give native products as presents for Ningol Chakoba. Thoibi also urged the government to monitor the functioning of various mushrooming private microfinance banks in the state.
Sida araiba midi magi leijaba zip car tawraga chatkare adagi aikoi si leitaba lairabana masing yamba lamdamni aduna leitaba singdudi awaba ma oi ayuk pung mari dagina numidang pung taruk phawguse basigi aikoi chathok chasingi ningol oibising sida khudong chanangai aduma khaktang sarkarna sinbiragadi yamna nungai jagane na khanjai lamdam sigi aikoi gi lairaba ningol oibising sina honorable chief minister amadi sarkar saisida aikoina ningon jakobagi khudol loina sarkar sidagi aikoina nijabani adu sarkarna su masigi khudon se pibigani na khanjai.
Akomlup Kanglei Park in a press release has appealed to celebrate the upcoming Ningol Chakoba festival on October 29. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the second state-level banana festival at Longmai None. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. State-level Banana Festival Organizing Committee kicked off the second state-level Banana Festival at Longmai None Common Ground in None District today. Speaking at the one-day event, Health Minister L. Jentakumar called upon the people of the state to utilize natural resources available in the state to boost the economy of the state. He assured that the government will extend necessary assistance for the welfare of the people. Speaking at the event, Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan stressed on the health benefits of banana fruit, which is loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. He encouraged the farmers to enhance banana productions in the state.
I iromdom lepchage ko hadna haibase iromdom lekbi haibatagi you should learn how to live kamai to hingedagi hona bitawani thabak am to bakanda kama do akoi chi unified body am oi do yaroi aduna madu oina bo hona ba haibase madu akoi to bom thoe bako aduna ngasai ai mindol ai rangi sil la phoi karino local la phoi karino hangbaganda hai mitai la phoi ne hai no mitai la phoi hai kano how la phoi hai kano manipur la phoi hai ho. So let's try to change the nomenclature. Kadawi na maduna mano maduna. Ako lay bakil mindset. Chinga masun tam ki barrier ma lay bidang lay basin mitay ni. Sina cookie ni sin lagana hai bache kau to ko. We are all living places. Sin jaga sin ito koi plap ako ki chawmin arbo ngakte ne ko. Plap hingmin arbo ngakte ne ko. Kayo sa akin na itihas sa akin.
Director of the Agriculture Department, Laltan Pui Vachong, urged farmers to enhance their organic produce to meet the public's need as well as to enhance their income. He was speaking at the launching of a training program on linking farmers to markets, Manipur Small Farmers at DIC Training Hall in Porampat today. Agri-Business Consortium along with Green Growers Manipur Imphal East organized the event under National Institute of Agricultural Marketing, Jaipur. Stating that Manipur has small land area and no big industries, Director Laltan Pui encouraged the farmers to produce quality products. Taking part in the event, project coordinator of Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium, MS Kaidem, stressed the need to open various farmer-producer companies to facilitate the farmers of the state in marketing their produce. He also urged the farmers to cultivate various seasonal crops. Secretary of Sagolban Youth Development Association SYDA Club Arambam Anau informed that the club along with the Mau Imphal Market Coordination Committee will hold a one-day Mau Market sale at the club campus on October 25. Speaking to media at the club today, Arambam Anau asserted that the event aims to boost cordial relation between the hills and valley people.
Maui imaibil isan misia singna tungi apogi nungmi sara tanjana ba amadi masa masu sing kitang moisu lai su tammi ba yauri ba kolebe sing mating one bidam ta phamna bo honar pada apogi Nagaland lenda leiba apogi Nagaland angami hariba jati sing asina apogi leijariba mau sinau sing asibu phaman bagi kudong cha ba pirak amadi lai su tamba kudimakta ayet pasu pibirakpa sim punamakse apoina nungai tabadagi apoisu khabar kagasta kaido newspaper ta parobdagi thenazara kodagi hariba pose adudi apogi Sagolban Youth Development Association apogi
Bachelor of Vocational Food Processing and Engineering organized its first food festival at Kha Manipur College in Kakching district today. Kakching MLA Yengkhom Surchandra kicked off the three-day event where altogether 10 food stalls were opened. National Disaster Response Force NDRF along with League of Callow Patriots LCP held a community awareness program on national disaster at Ningthem Pukri Mapal today. A team led by Inspector of 12th Battalion posted at Doimuk in Arunachal Pradesh, Johnson Mar demonstrated drills on preventive and precautionary measures against natural disasters like earthquake, flood and fire disasters at the event. Speaking on the occasion, LCP executive member Athokpam Hemjit asserted that the event aimed to ease the challenges facing people in the wake of climate change.
Asuma community awareness asida ekoina hauji prithibi gi mafam kudimakta yamna khudong thiba yamna maru oiba issue mo oireiba mahausa gi oiba khudong thiba adugumba thonba khudong thiba sing samna habada maru oina yuharaba aduga ising ichau aduga maihau langpok adagi atopa mayam laikre aduga akoi Manipur dadi maru oina ising ichau ga yuharaba haiba sina yamna maru oiba adugumba program akoi gi khudong thiba mo oibanina masiu masigi matangda henna demonstration
A team led by SI of Babu Bazar VDF post Thawbal Y Anil Kumar apprehended an individual in possession of huge quantity of foreign-made wind cigarettes during a food patrol near Babu Bazar ATM booth today. The miscreant is 47-year-old MD Hasim, son of MD Fazuma from Moijing Mina Bazar. The team seized 45 cartons of wind cigarettes worth over 22,140 rupees in the Indian market from him. He was handed over to Thawbal police station for further investigation. A combined team of Imphal East District Commando and 15th Assam Rifles has arrested a suspected active KCP PWG cadre from Yumnam Patlau Thongkhong. The arrested person is 37-year-old Soibam Malingamba Meitei, alias Lover, son of late Yaima from Yumnam Patlau Maning Laikai under Sagolmang Police Station, Imphal East District. Impact News sources said that the Imphal East Commando team, led by Imphal East Commando OC Y Sakti Shen under the supervision of Imphal East DSP Operation KH Herojit, along with 15 Assam Rifles personnel, arrested the suspect from Yumnam Patlau Thongkhong at around 4:30 p.m. yesterday. Sources further said that Soibam Malingamba's involvement in extortion of money from various private schools, private hospitals, government offices, pharmacies, shops in Imphal areas have been confirmed. The team has also seized a mobile phone from him. District Mental Health Program District Health Society Thoubal held the 28th World Mental Health Day observance on the theme Mental Health Promotion and Suicide Prevention at Waikomani Girls College in Thoubal, Wangmataba today. Speaking on the sidelines, DC Thoubal and Bandana asserted that men and women have equal responsibilities in bringing development of the state. Resource persons at the event stressed on the significance of a good mental health for an overall well-being. Churachandpur District Health Society, under the aegis of National Health Mission, has observed Global Iodine Deficiency Disorders Prevention Day on the theme Safeguard Your Physical and Mental Well-being by consuming only adequate iodized salt in the right way. Churachandpur DFWO Dr. T. Damthian Lal, District Nodal Officer of NCD Cell Dr. Thanglam Lal Hauzel attended the event held at CMO Hall, Churachandpur. Takhelapam Dushant and Nakoijam Ratan Kumar from Manipur have been enlisted in the Indian team to participate in the upcoming Mr. World Championship 2019 organized by the International Federation of Bodybuilding and Fitness IFBBF in Dubai from November 5 till 8. Indian Bodybuilding and Fitness Federation IBBFF Manipur Unit Vice President, who is also the Chief Engineer of State PWD, Nongmaitem Noren is among the Indian team officials. Speaking to media at his office today, Nongmaitem Noren said that IBBFF is registered under IFBBF. He added that out of the 12 bodybuilders in the Indian team, 2 are from IBBFF Manipur unit, and another bodybuilder from Manipur, Robbie Maitei Morangthem, is also in the team representing the Indian Navy. Nongmaitem Noren expressed high hopes of participating in the 2020 Tokyo Olympics. He stated that the only means for a country to participate in the Olympics bodybuilding event is to affiliate itself to the International Federation of Bodybuilding and Fitness.
Akoijam Ratan Kumar Singha Magna participate Tawdoribasina international level da 85 kg below aduga anisubada Takhelambam Dusanta Singh Magna participate Tawdoriba category na weight 95 kg below the participate to bigadabni. Masana si yaururba matungda ekoi halaklaga hanaroi kaya amasu Aurangabad handak pangthukadoriba tara mangadagi tang Taranipan November gi masida pangthukadoriba player kaya amasu aikoina khangatare makoising asi Diamond Cup haina ningsi kawi second edition ni Aurangabad pangthukadoriba asina.
Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Women vendors of Queramban markets take out public alert rally against any threat to territorial integrity of Manipur. Additional CRPF personnel deployed at strategic locations in Imphal City ahead of Indo-Naga final solutions. Segmai MLA H. Dingo appeals to public not to panic over outcome of Indo-Naga peace talks, says government is on alert. And Health Minister L. Jenjakumar says government is all prepped up to revive library movement in the state.